So today we will show you how the leave management module works and how it helps HR teams manage employee leaves easily and efficiently. First, HR can set up different leave types such as annual leave, sick leave, casual leave, or any custom leave policy according to the company requirements. After defining the leave types, HR can assign leave balances to each employee based on their role, department, or company policy. This allows every employee to have their own allocated leave quota. Each employee will have access to their own self-service dashboard where they can view their leave balance and apply for leave directly from the system. The process is simple, fast, and completely digital. Once the employee submits the leave request, the approval workflow starts automatically. First, the HR department reviews and approves the request. After HR approval, the request is forwarded to CEO for final approval. Once the leave is fully approved, the system automatically deducts the leave from the employee's available balance. This ensures accurate leave tracking without any manual calculation. With this automated leave management system, organization can reduce paperwork, improve transparency, and make the entire leave approval process smooth and efficient. So now I will show you how you can easily apply for the leaves. You can add the leave types using our HR and payroll system easily. First of all, we have showed you this admin dashboard in the previous video. So now if you will navigate on this bar, then here you can see the leave types. If I click on the leave types, then here are all the leaves which are set up. As you can see, it's a casual leave, annual leave, compensatory leave. If you want to add a new leave type, you have to click on this add leave type, add the leave name, select for gender, category, and here you can add the days. On submitting this leave will automatically apply to all the active employees that are available in the system. Then if you want to see the leaves for one current employer, for example, if I select this employer, here I can check his leave balance. He has casual leaves 10. There are no used leave. Entitled leaves are completed. Compensatory leaves are available. And if there is if he apply the leave from his dashboard, so HR can see all the leaves that are approved or that are in pending state for approval by this person. If I select another person, then I can see his leaves as well. So in this way, HR can keep track of the leaves easily. He can also see the leave records that are for pending approval. If we click on this pending, so if there is some approval available, so we can just simply click on approve, and the leave will send to CEO for the next approval. We can see the approved leaves as well and the rejected leaves as well. If any person wants to apply the leaves from his dashboard, so they have a form. Let me show you that form. So this is basically the leave form. Every employee has this form on their dashboard. They will click on this plus button, then they will select their name, application date, then they will select the leave type, start date, end date. It will automatically count the days. Holiday type, it's a full day or a half day, he can select, and the month, year. Then he will add the reason. Once he submit this, it will show on the HR dashboard, and HR will approve the leave, and then the leaves will be deducted from his all the leaves count. So this is the flow which we have set up for the leave policy.